When changing the fuel bed on your Ambe fireplace, you need to start with a front-facing glass panel. To remove the glass, use a screwdriver or battery-operated drill to gently unfasten each of the 4 screws. Then, pull firmly on the brackets. Using a soft brush or your hands, remove the fuel bed contents. Then take your brush and sweep out the fuel bed cavity, ensuring there is no debris in the slot housing the glass panel. After selecting your new fuel bed material, spread the contents along the length of your fireplace. For the most realistic look, ensure that all contents are spread evenly. Now that you've changed your fuel bed, insert the glass panel into the slot running along the bottom of your fireplace and press the glass back into place. Fasten the 4 screws into the fittings and you're good to go.